Cheers to the Royal Atlantic!
That was amazing! Let's go again.
Almost got it!
Yes, pull it up, we won!
That was a great race!
Keep that pace up, you're looking strong. Great pass over here. What a view while we work out. I almost got you that time. Where did you go?
Keep trying, you're close.
He's coming this way, run.
Isn't this view simply breathtaking?
It truly is. The Royal Atlantic never disappoints.
We found our paradise right here, sailing on the evening tide.
Wait for me!
Be careful running around the deck, sweetie.
Bridge to engine control. Confirm all watertight doors secured.
Captain, the contact is accelerating. Impact in less than 5 minutes.
Helm, hard starboard now.
It's coming right for us. We have to move. Emergency! Move to the exits now!
Which way is the exit? Help us! Help me! Please, somebody help!
Grab my hand, quick! We have to get out of here!
We need immediate assistance on the bridge. Flooding reported in the lower decks.
This is not a drill.
All passengers evacuate to the muster stations now.
Hurry, put it on!
I can't get the buckle.
The water is rising. We have to go now.
We're falling!
I can't hold on. Grab the railing. Somebody help us.
Grab the railing!
I can't hold on! Help us! Somebody help us!
Hold on.
Help us! Over here, quickly!
Grab the ring. Hold on tight. We got him. Lift.